Just think. You wake up every morning, go to work hard all day, come back tired in the evening, and there is only one question in your heart. Where does the money go? The truth is, the problem is not less work, but work in the wrong direction. That's why today, I will tell you how to become a millionaire. A poor person thinks, what do I need today? While a millionaire thinks, what decision should I make today that will give me freedom tomorrow? Millionaires make decisions based on calculations, not feelings. They know that fate does not change without changing their thinking. Every day in life, we make a choice. Sometimes to relax, sometimes to learn, sometimes to spend, and sometimes to invest. A millionaire chooses future freedom by giving up temporary happiness. He does not run after expensive things, but adopts expensive thinking. A millionaire knows that time is the most valuable asset. That's why he does less useless scrolling and more work on himself. He asks himself, where this hour will take my life. A millionaire moves forward despite fear because he knows that no great success comes without risk. For him, failure is not a shame. Rather, the lesson is that a millionaire does not listen to everyone. He stays close to people who force him to become better, because the wrong environment is the greatest poverty. Brother, becoming a millionaire is not a game of one day. It is the result of the right choices made every day. If you change your thinking today, change your decisions and start valuing your time, then believe me, tomorrow your life itself will become an example. Make a decision today because tomorrow may be too late.